So I've walked over to the farm where I keep the buckets and the booms. There's a couple clamshell buckets for the 22B. There's drag bucket there, drag bucket there, the smaller clamshell for the that are all for the 10B. This is the channel boom for the 10B. Didn't really have any trouble with the channel boom and the drag line bucket. The one cable on the drag bucket's a little short, but not a big deal. And there's a backhoe boom, which is why I walked over here. So that was my next project, was putting that on the machine. I did a little bit of a video on it, not a real good video, but give people an idea what it takes to change over. And there's several shivs on this machine. There's the one at the top of the stick there. I believe that one was okay. Now the one that's on the front of the bucket there, that shiv down there, it was completely crushed. The housing, the shiv is inside that housing. It was completely smashed. The shiv wouldn't turn at all. So we had to cut that apart and weld it back together so that it was freed up. And then we got two more shivs over here that the cables coming from the machine run to those, and then of course we have the A-frame laying right behind it. And I know these two big shivs on the boom, those were actually froze up too, but that was all relatively easy stuff to take care of. And I painted up, I got on there, I played with it a little bit. Not a lot. The backhoe is a lot of fun to operate, a lot of skill in operating a cable backhoe, but my real goal was to get the shovel front on. That's my whole goal in buying one of these machines, was to have a shovel front machine. So that was my next big project, and it was a lot bigger than what I thought, and that's what I'll talk about next when I walk back over a long ways over there, across the field back over to where the 10B is.